Right, so this is the bloody sponge you're walking on. And it is exactly like walking on sponge.
Sorry.
So Eva's bumping into me like it's not hard enough to do this.
You always do that.
I'm kidding.
Get off the horse.
Get out! So, I don't know if you can see the legs.
I think this is a volcano crater.
And basically, it is full of water.
And it gives back the water. That's the beauty of the Paramo. The water storage.
We've got dogs with us. I have no fucking idea where we're going, but we're going there. Get us some cows. And from the other horse walking. Stop eating, horsey. Well, suffice it to say, it can be pretty treacherous, but it's gorgeous. Beautiful.
It would be nicer if it wasn't raining.
Okay. Well, I hope the rain is not messing it up. I think